this is how we can turn off the location without someone knowing on the iPhone. So let me show you some ways we can go about it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so naturally, most importantly, you share the location through apps like Find My, or perhaps WhatsApp Messenger allows the live location sharing. And of course, for example, when you go to the Find My, it is possible to tap on the person right here at the bottom and just like delete them and stop them from accessing your location. But that will be notified, and that person will basically know that you decided to like stop the connection. What you can do instead is to open up your settings and find the privacy and security section and click on location services, where you don't necessarily stop sharing location with that person, but instead you stop allowing the app to accessing yours. So you can find, for example, the Find My in here for the location settings, and you can decide that it's gonna be set from while using the app or always or whatever is available to never, right? And in that case, everything kind of like stops. The location cannot be accessed anymore, but it's not like you stopped sharing it with some specific person, right? So that is like a way to make sure it works, or that it doesn't work, but without delivering notifications. And also, if you, for example, as I mentioned before, sharing a location through WhatsApp live sharing, you can also do the very same thing for the WhatsApp Messenger. And in fact, you can change the settings here for the location in terms of like any app that you have installed on your phone, and that can actually use it. So that is how it works. I hope I was able to explain it well for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I will see you in the upcoming tutorials too.